How to install Slido. Click the Launch App icon on your Google account. Scroll down the list of apps and select Slides. Click blank to create a new slide presentation. Click Add-ons. Click Get Add-ons. Scroll through the list of add-ons and select Slido. Click Install. Click Continue. Select your Google account. Click Allow. Click Done. Click Create Session. Now you will be able to add a live poll to your presentation, or add a quiz to encourage interactivity. You can also add a question and answer slide when presenting with Slido. Encourage your participants to join your live poll, take a quiz or answer questions by going to www.slido.com. Share the code with them that appears in this area. Enjoy your interactive session. Like and subscribe for more quick and short tutorials.